Ahoy hoy! Bit of a catch-up. What have I been up to? Well, there's lots of videos in the bag and they're all upstairs on a computer that I can't be bothered to edit because editing takes a lot of time. What do I mean? Well, for a 6-minute video it takes obviously the work on the guitar, takes about 2 or 3 hours of editing, mixing, 4 hours uploading, then you've got to take it down because something's wrong, then another 4 hours of uploading. So it takes, genuinely, me about 10 hours to do a video, which doesn't seem worth it for about 6 to 10 minutes worth of work. But that said, I hope to get up there and just get on with it. Why am I catching up now? 2 things have happened since we last spoke. I've got a lot of videos, obviously. I've got a part-time, full-time job in an office doing office work. It's work, pays the bills. But I've also been doing 2 other things. So South Bucks Hospice runs a reuse shop, and these guitars here are getting ready to go off for their Christmas sale. I do all those pro bono, but I've also been working at Electric Umbrella in Hemel Hempstead. This is a charity that sells instruments of all sorts, masses of them. If you want drum kits, for God's sake, ask. If you want brass instruments, ask them. They've got tons. They've got storerooms full of them. They also sell upcycle things into furniture. Great fun. I look after some of the guitars. They come in, I do them up, we get them out. All of this costs me money. But occasionally, and that's in the next few weeks, I'll show you some videos of some interesting guitars that have turned up and we've done up and put out for sale, including some rare Gibsons and a Hofner, which must be late 50s. Beautiful amounts of aging, just spectacular guitars, and I'll put links to their sales. But let's be honest, they're not 100 quid. They're not going to be 1,000 quid. They're going to be a bit more. Anyway, I'm still here. We've got a whole bunch of almost identical Harley Bentons coming up. I have some opinions. Oh yes, I do. On Harley Benton. But just the ones I've seen. I'm sure others are better. Until then, lovely to see you all. I'm still here. Subscribe, more videos, and cats, as always. Toodle Pip.